Hey, it's Andrew Brown, and we are taking a look at managed prefix lists because I kept seeing this over and over again. And I'm like, what is this thing? And now I know what it is. So I'm going to share it with you. It is a collection of CIDR blocks to make it easier to configure route tables and security groups. So AWS provides by default in each region a set of managed prefix lists you can use. And you can, if you click into one, you will see very specific IP addresses with CIDR ranges. A prefix list can either be a collection of IPv4 or IPv6. It cannot be a mix of the two. You can create your own prefix list with a collection of CIDR blocks. An AWS-owned prefix list will be updated by AWS automatically. And this makes sense because if a list contains all of the DynamoDB instances in CA Central 1 and they're changing them, then they should maintain them, of course. So some AWS-owned managed prefixes list only appear in specific regions. So CloudFront, for example, is a global service, but its origins default is in US East 1. So you'll only see CloudFront in US East 1 because when I was in CA Central 1, I wasn't seeing that service prefix list, and I knew it existed. Same thing with S3 Express. It's currently only available in US East 1, so it doesn't appear anywhere else. So there is the ones that I'm talking about that you can only see in US East 1. A managed prefix list could be used to only allow CloudFront distributions to origins to have inbound access to security. So the idea here is that when you assign a source for an inbound or outbound rule, you can select a prefix supplying its prefix list ID to specify the managed prefix list. And then the idea here is that only CloudFront is going to be able to transverse that security group based on that setting. I need to point out that if you choose to use an AWS-owned managed prefix list, you're including the CIDR block ranges for all AWS accounts. So in this use case, you would be allowing from any AWS customer's CloudFront distribution origin, but it is a little bit more secure than, say, the entire public. So how you want to use this is up to you. But yeah, that's as simple as it is. There you go.